Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Infinity of Nashua in Nashua, New Hampshire, we have the 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan GT. Kind of designed as normal transportation for a lot of people. This thing's actually pretty nice. And when you start looking at all the storage you have in this place, it's insane. All those cubbies on top are all storage bins. I mean, if you can't find a place to put stuff in this van, you shouldn't be carrying it in a van. Powered by the Pentastar 3.6 liter V6, you have 283 horsepower, 260 pound-feet of torque, routed through the front wheels through a 6-speed automatic. Look, that's a storage bin. That's a storage bin. That's a storage bin. Stay. Now, this is Octane Red Pearl with the black interior. Could put some WD-40 on that. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, plenty of visibility. This is how you open the side doors. I think that's a light. There we go. Is there a button to turn on all? Oh yeah, there is. It's here. Or it's not. Nope. There it is. You can see tons of LED illumination. Do have navigation, backup camera. But without further ado, let's take this thing on the road. You can see we got a little snow last night, so it's a little frozen, but we'll make do. One thing I'm impressed at is how much power this thing really has. You expect something this size to not really move too fast, and it moves itself pretty well. In fact, a lot of times setting off from traffic lights, I find that it is very eager to spin the tires. You know, that sounds pretty good for a minivan. I gotta say, if I had one of these as a rental car, I wouldn't be too upset. Although I'd rather have like a Corvette Z06 as a rental car, but So, I don't think I've driven the 6-speed automatic. If this is a variation of the ZF 8-speed, I wouldn't be surprised because it acts very similar to the 8-speed. Now, if you've driven the dated 5-speed that was first in these, like in the first release of the 2011 Durango, you realize how bad that transmission was. And I'm like, when I read this was a 6-speed, I'm like, oh no, nope, that's not gonna be good. I'm impressed. I am impressed. It is good. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.